Jokenera tich oganda e bwo riwruok mar linda jamii koro dwaro ni sirikal ochung okang' mar rwako ochele koa e pinje maoko, ka giwacho ni okang'no biro ketho ohala mar jopur ma pachoka. Gilero ni parono miyo joma omew thuolo mar kelo ochele pachoka ma ok gichulo osuru, mopogore gi jopur ma nigi chamgi to pod chulo osuru mamalo.
Kenya urgently needs to support domestic production rather than expose local farmers and value chain businesses to unfair and destructive competition. The government is being deliberate and intentional in sabotaging local rice farmers by allowing cheap, duty-free imports to flood the market every year. Many face imminent closure if these imports continue unchecked, especially given the rising operational costs and punitive taxes.
We want to stop this importation on commodities that we can locally produce. That is the only real empowerment that we can do to our people. But if you continue importing, that means you want to ensure that Kenyans continue becoming poor and poorer.